Should I buy or sell TQQQ? The report for TQQQ was first published on our website Friday, March 31, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 21, 2023, our system ranks TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 9.2% since we first told you to buy TQQQ 9 days ago. This is an average return of 1.02% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 26.06% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 0.198% and 38.86%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 31.55% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 72.91% and 2.19%. This equals a price between $7.66 and $28.88 after a year. In our daily updates for TQQQ, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for TQQQ as ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. The TQQQ ETF price gained 4.9% on the last trading day, Friday, March 31, 2023, rising from $26.94 to $28.26. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 5.24% from a day low at $26.91 to a day high of $28.32. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 15.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 3 million shares, and in total, 126 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.57 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $61.55, and the lowest price was $16.10. Right now the price is 54.09%, or $33.29, below 52-week high, and 85.19%, or $162.62, below all-time high January 8, 2021, where the price hit $190.88. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $26.14 and $23.91. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, March 10, 2023, and so far it has risen 35.34%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $24.57 and $22.68. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $24.57. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.68 and $21.33. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $1.41 between high and low, or 5.24%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 3.78%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, TQQQ finds first level of support at $24.57, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $27.43, minus 2.92%. This ETF has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 79 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 15 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a buy? TQQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 3rd, we expect TQQQ to open down $0.430 and start trading at $27.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.